Hello there, my name is Kralow and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have just one question for you. Will you ever doubt me again? Let's have a look then what is happening, because guys, what a crash, 15% correction, 15%. How spot on is this? Call me Mr. Spot On down in the comments, because Mr. Spot On never fails, ever. And the hamsters and all these hamster wheels end up feeding the smart money. Good. As it is supposed to be, exactly as we expected actually. Down here, this was posted on my Twitter. I said that we could actually wick higher and then crash down. Like, look at this drawing. Look at how beautiful this drawing is and what it actually ended up looking like. Like, how precise is this? But now the question is this the beginning or is this the end of this move? And what is happening with our challenge? And currently, since yesterday, I'm actually up 9%, so $91,000. So today I'm going to disclose what is happening with my short trade on Bitcoin, what I have done, but I have told you what I'm going to do with it in the previous stream. So if you haven't watched it, you need to be watching every single one of my videos from the beginning and until the end, because this is the realest crypto trading challenge and also channel in general in the world, because we have $1 million on the line and we've been trading with millions of dollars. But right now this challenge from 1 million to 10 million is one of the craziest things in crypto YouTube. No blah blah blah, but actually money to work every step of the way, transparently and live. So anyway, and if you appreciate it, with small token appreciation would be sharing this video so this content gets out to as many people as possible, as fast as possible. There is a share button down below here on YouTube. And also, actually, despite this huge correction, we're going to discuss why it happened. It's obvious, but we'll discuss why and what is happening next and how am I approaching this and what is my take on whether we're going to actually be breaking the all-time high or this is only the beginning of the correction. So also our copy trades, actually look at it, they still did fine. Despite we had the tiny losses here and there, my team managed it so well that it shows you that not only I am an amazing trader, but also the team that manages the copy trades here at Kralow Trades and also Kralow High Risk did amazing. Like, look, this is all. Like, this is all that we had, like a tiny loss here on high risk. And also on this one, everybody still make, like, this is incredible. This is what I'm talking about. And if you want to copy my trades automatically, and if you don't want to be a hamster, then you can go to copykralowtrades.com. The only rule here is that you need to create an account using my link to Bybit, and you can create it using this button right here, because if you're not my affiliate, you will not be able to copy. The copy is going to give you a error. But for now, what you need to do, you also need, once you create an account using my link, you need to actually add yourself manually to the whitelist. There is a link to the whitelist also in the description of this video, and then within 24 to 48 hours we'll add you to the whitelist, and you will be able to go to here actually, well, the same website, and click on either of these buttons and copy either of these accounts easily. So now let's discuss as to what has actually happened. And certainly, I mean, you're going to be trading on Bybit, that is one of the safest exchanges right now, and you will be getting up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses, which is incredible, and also other bonuses you can see here. And also you'll get lifetime access to my Crypto Signals community with 40,000 traders, where we also post everything, all the explanations. So it's a win-win-win-win-win for you. So jump in immediately. We're going to be making crazy money. So here, what actually happened and what actually caused the beginning of the liquidation is this right here. Bitcoin went down while Facebook crashed. Like Facebook, Instagram, everything was down due to Houthis. And this is like next to Yemen, and there is like a lot of piracy happening right now. They're actually bombing ships, and US is bombing Yemen. So it's like, it's very unfortunate. And what they actually retaliated, and they bombed or cut whatever fiber cables that were actually like connecting Asia and Europe in terms of the internet. So 25% of the internet was down, and this in turn led to this, like, once we actually were at the all-time high right here, this is what caused the initial move down and finally caused what I was talking about for the last days and weeks, that there will be a huge cascading liquidation of idiots who are like, long! It will happen. And this time, what it actually initiated the liquidation is this small news, because to be honest, and I'm going to get into this, like this cut of these lines is no big deal. That will restore them very fast. So this was just a small reason to just move down a bit, and then it actually caused the liquidation. It's like a domino effect. And this actually led to exactly what I was talking about. Look at these hamsters. Look at these hamsters right here, liquidations. $900 million worth of liquidations. Yes! Exactly what I was saying, precisely. So this is what happens when people degen in, they don't listen to Mr. Spot On, they think they're the smartest traders. They're trading wedges and head and shoulders patterns, and then they make up this statistic right here, 900 million. And guess who's got your money? Mr. Spot On, liquidity providers, market makers, and other smart money concept traders. So this is absolutely beautiful. But now then the question becomes, what is going to happen next? Because even though like we had a crazy crash, and like right now my team also, they're like kind of in between whether this is only the beginning of the crash or actually this is just the end of it. Because we have two scenarios as of right now. I'm going to show you like what am I doing with my trades and stuff, and there is one token I also sold. I'm going to show it to you in just a second, because we so like this is short term. So therefore we had $1 billion worth of liquidations, which is nice. We kind of reset the market a bit, actually, also funding rates. We reset them a bit, quite frankly. And this is what we wanted to see. So are we actually clear for the continuation of the move? Well, what is happening with the ETFs? And with the ETFs is the following. Actually, yesterday, March 5th, we had 650 million total net inflow for one day, and it's the largest inflows since day one. And BlackRock with a record of $788 million in one day accumulated for Bitcoin. That's why it recovered so fast. But now, as per my experience with these things, this could also be, we could jog along for quite some time in this vicinity and scare people and actually go tiny bit lower. So for this reason, let me show you exactly what I'm doing for the challenge, what I'm doing with my short trade. And first, let me show you the token I actually sold a bit, and I sold a bit of Apex. But again, just automatically, also right here. So let me show you, because we were purchasing Apex here, also here, and I told you there will be good news on Apex. And right now, our first order was taken right here, basically at $3 something. So we made good money on Apex. I mean, we still hold a lot of Apex, and we also have quite a bit of orders left on Apex. But the next one is $6 and basically $9. So this is what it still is looking like, but it is playing out really nicely, and our trades we are posting are playing out really nicely. So guys, subscribe, hit that notification bell. The only realist crypto YouTube channel that actually puts money to work and shows you everything from 1 million to 10 million. So far we're doing quite good. Now big question, the short trade. And I did exactly what I said in the previous video. So I said that if we're gonna have a very nice correction, then I'm going to deleverage in a certain area. And I told you I'm going to be deleveraging somewhere around my entry area. So because remember, we shorted from here, and we just had an incredible wick, beautiful wick, which actually allowed me to deleverage. And for right now, this is what it basically looks like. Right now, I kept only 300,000 in it, just in case if this is only the beginning of the crash, so I can actually balance the spot portfolio that we have, even though, quite frankly, even if we keep going down, a lot of those coins will just not care because of the narrative on those coins. But nonetheless, so for me right now, it's more of not a short trade anymore, because it used to be a 1.5 million short trade. For me, for now, this is more of a hedge of the existing spot holding. So, and for me, here, so the idea is extremely simple. My stop loss is the same, 70,500, and actually it was so close, I was almost giving up on it. But again, Mr. Spot On never failed. I know precisely the levels beyond which it wouldn't make sense to hold it. So therefore, I deleveraged it right here perfectly, like a G, like mwah! Anyway, and my take profit for this trade is basically at 55,555, whatever, so 55K is my take profit on it, and stop loss is at 70K, so equal. This is not the best RR, but I'm using this RR because it's more of a hedge for the current spot, because my team's opinion is currently divided. Someone is saying that it's still the beginning of the move down because we want to see more liquidations. They're still saying that this is not enough. We need to shave more hamsters, more. And then, but if that's gonna happen with the way I've built the trade now, we're gonna actually make some money. It's gonna probably stay at plus 9%, or maybe actually even go up because of the sum of the coins actually going up. And plus, we're gonna make some decent money also on the short. If it does go to, we're gonna make like 40, 50K on it. If it does go to 55K, and from there, we will definitely start looking into building a long trade, and probably never touching shorts anymore unless with a very short stop loss and a very, quick scalp trade. So this is it. This is how I'm balancing it right now because we're in the no man's land. Will we continue? Probably in terms of what we were seeing here, I don't think so. I'll full disclosure, I personally don't think we're gonna drop much lower, personally. So that's why, I deleverage the trade. But if we do, I just explained it, so I'm not gonna do it again. Anyways, guys, congratulations if you listen to me and you made some money. Congratulations. Don't listen to idiots. Listen to smart people. So check out this quick tutorial as to how to trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management. And remember about the copy trading accounts. If you want to just click one button and copy everything automatically, you can do so. And as always, peace and love. Thomas Kralow. Stay smart. Stay very rich. And I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.